My name's Clifford Baggott. I'm the president of Cres Cor. Probably a name you've never heard. Cres Cor is a family business, 86 years in the food service space. So we make equipment for all kinds of commercial kitchens throughout the world. What got us involved with this current endeavor was the pandemic showed that there was a need for decontamination of masks. So people came to us who were mask manufacturers and asked if we could decontaminate the N95 masks. With the need for the decontamination of masks became less important, we started networking with local fire stations about what their needs are related to decontamination. And we quickly learned that there's a huge need. Currently, they just have the heavy-duty decontamination suites that take care of the big problems, the soot, the dirt, and the extractors. That's a big thing. But we also learned from the fire stations that 80 or 90% of the time they go out and they're not performing a lot of those duties that involve fire, soot, dirt. They're picking up stuff in the environment, drugs, bed bugs, things of that nature. So we applied the same technology we had done for the masks into the decontamination of gear. We got a bunch of samples, we sent it to an independent lab and found out that our process does eradicate at a 6 log rating of all these bed bugs and germs and things like that. And the unique thing about our process is it just uses heat and humidity, no chemicals whatsoever. So you put the gear in the cabinet. The cabinet can be preset to 185 degrees, 70% humidity. You run it for 10-15 minutes and it decontaminates at a 6 log level all things that are on the gear. The other thing that's unique about it, besides not having any chemicals, you can plug it in any place in the fire station in a simple 110-volt outlet. Does not need any plumbing work, did not need any drains, and again, there is no chemicals involved. The unique thing about the Cres Cor system, it can be used in any public safety environment. Police, fire, EMS, any place. And the other unique thing is it's so easy to set up and install. 110 volts, no plumbing, no chemicals. So all those things are sometimes barriers to adding new equipment. It can be plugged in any place in the building. But in the fire situation, the most common thing is to have it next to the heavy extractors, which are doing the heavy load work on actual fire decontamination. We're the next step down. You have trouble with bed bugs. You have trouble with airborne things. You have trouble with COVID, any other things that are in the air. The system will kill all of those items.